Good morning, you guys. It is like 7 something in the morning here in Chicago. And what am I doing? I am on my way to a client's house. Yes. There are many different ways to make money in this business, and you're going to put in just as much work, if not more at times, than you would at a regular 9-to-5 job. But because it's what you love, you won't mind doing it. Even though I am really tired, because I did not even finish doing clients last night after I cleaned up and then packed my mobile kit, made sure it had everything. I didn't even go to bed until 12 after midnight, and I just couldn't sleep. Anytime I know I have to get up super early, it's like I won't go to sleep. So I'm really tired, and then I have to come back here and I have clients because today is Friday. So this is gonna be like a really long day, but this is gonna be like also a really lucrative day. So and I'm still sick. So this is a good thing, but I'm just trying to check in to let guys see, what a full-time working nail tech is like. For me to make the most money, if you want to get into being a six-figure, nail tech or whatever, these are the type of things you got to do. You got to bring in multiple streams of income. Like, how does she do that? I'm not afraid to charge, which you all know. I say charge what you want to charge. The right people will find you. I also do a lot of outside work, outside gigs, and that's a whole nother topic and discussion. And on top of that, I do a lot of retail, and I haven't touched on that at all. But I also do a lot of retail, so that helps as well. And right now, I actually got I gotta whip up some products because I literally go through a batch of products every week, and that alone pays my car note and insurance. So every little penny counts in this business. Every little penny. What you think is a penny is nothing, because something that you can sell or upgrade or do for $10, if you can do it, $20 20 times in a month, that's how you have to look at every little thing. You have to look at every little dollar. Is like, if I do it so many times, if you want to make this amount of money, how many times do I need to do it in a month? And then you break that down to how many times do I need to do it in a week? And from there, you'll say, well, how many times do I need to do it in a day on average? And so for me, every little penny counts. So those little $10 sales or $10 upgrades that I push at times, those things add up over the course of the month. And if you think about it, you find two things that you can push and upgrade people or retail product, some scrubs, some shea butter, whatever. If you can find two different things that you can push 20 times a month, that's $400 a month. So just from those two little things that you'll be doing, which just takes, a little bit of a sale, that's $400 a month. So that's paying your car note. You get what I'm saying? It's just that one little thing. Is every little bit counts. Or that's your insurance, not car insurance, health insurance, and and I keep saying 403B. It may not be that, guys. I have to research it because right now I don't have it. I got to get back into it to get that started back up. But to get those things started, it doesn't necessarily have to come out of your direct income from working on clients. It can come from side things, or if it's something you want to do, you think of things you can do in your business to make more, raffles, different things like that. So that's all. This is a quick 3-minute video. I'm so freaking tired. I wish I could go on live, but it wouldn't let me go on live today because I wanted to talk to you guys while I was driving. I'll catch you later. Bye.